So many of these crows in these fields here. So many. Or are they ravens? I'll let Tanis decide if they're clear enough to judge. But there are a lot. You can hear them cawing in the background. There's one flying over the river there. Well, there were a bunch of birds down there. Oh, there's something. Is that a crow too? Or is that a raven? Down walking in the water. What are you doing? What is your goal, sir? And there's two of them. Okay. Anyway, I don't know if they eat seeds or what they're getting out of these empty fields, but yeah, more of these hobby gardens. I guess it's December. These onions, I guess they're something for the winter. But most of the stuff has been picked already. But there's still some, what are these? Persimmons? Or are these? No, these are persimmons. Also called kaki in Japanese. Still some in the tree, although the tree is totally bare. And some rotting on the ground. Okay, well, there is the blackbird, potentially crow, potentially raven video. Finishing up with a persimmon.